When using the open array to divide, we want to think about what we know already, and we want to think about factors of numbers that we know. We also are going to be using the distributive property. So one of the things I know about 129 is that it's going to be this whole box is 129. And I want to break it into arrays that I know. So I'm going to make a line here, because one of the things that I know is that 33 goes into 99. So I know that in this box, this could be 99. Now, 99 plus 30 is going to give me 129. So now I have two arrays that are both divisible by 3 easily, and which I know the factors. So 99 equals 33 times 3. 30 equals 10 times 3. So now I know that I have 33 here, my 33. Here's my 10. And so it equals 33 plus 10 which is 43.